So good morning, respected panelist. Myself Sumit Sarkar, and I am from West Bengal. Currently, I am pursuing Masters in Agriculture, Rural and Tribal Development. And in previous time, I have completed my BSc from Doon PG College of Agriculture, Science and Technology in Agriculture Science. So today's topic that why beekeeping is necessary for the women as a farmer. We all know that agriculture that there are 75% people who are fully dependent on agriculture in India. So, but agriculture is not the sufficient element that can provide the livelihood of them. Here come to the topic that beekeeping. Why beekeeping? I think that agriculture and with agriculture, some allied activities, that is also necessary for increasing their livelihood. So I would suggest them that scientific beekeeping is an option for their livelihood. Now I would like to say the benefits of why beekeeping is necessary for them, from where they can use their training skills. I think they should be agree that I think that they should be agree that honey rearing bee is also necessary, is also important for them. You can tell them the various aspects of benefits of beekeeping, like bees are helping for pollination in the crops that can be increase the yield. Secondly, after collecting honey, they can process the honey, and we also know that organic elements are higher in the market than the other elements. So they can use their skill in the food processing also to increase the nutritional value of the honey, and they can sell in the market. In the last, a quote that if bees are disappears from the earth's surface, there is no people live in the earth, and also if they live not more than 4 years, said by Albert Einstein. So on his quote, we can understand that bees are necessary for agriculture and our life also. So I request you to adopt the bee culture or apiculture and increase your livelihood. I think my suggestion would help you in the future as a secondary livelihood option with the primary livelihood option, that is agriculture. So thank you, sir, for listening my video patiently.